Hi, this is Dr. Blake Bloxam for Hair Restoration Tour. So asked a question recently that I want to answer here in this video. So the question was, can you utilize finasteride, also commonly known by the brand name Propecia, and minoxidil, commonly known by the brand name Rogaine, together? So the very simple answer here is yes. Finasteride and minoxidil are both FDA-approved medications to treat genetic hair loss, both for men and women in regard to minoxidil, and for men in regard to finasteride, but they're both FDA approved. Not only that, these medications are used together quite frequently because they work sort of synergistically. Finasteride does a good job of sort of slowing and preventing the loss as best as possible because it acts on the hormone that's causing the progressive loss. But it's not as good as at sort of plumping up some of these hairs that are already a little bit weaker. Minoxidil isn't as good at stopping the progressive loss because it does not address the hormonal causes, but minoxidil is good at taking some of these kind of weak, wispy hairs that finasteride has sort of pumped a little bit of life into. It kind of has it plugged into life support, if you will. Minoxidil is very good at taking these hairs and kind of injecting them with some life, making them darker, thicker, longer. So when you utilize the combination of those two, you get the medication that's kind of stopping the progressive, loss, is sort of keeping that at bay. Then the minoxidil is going to swoop in and sort of inject some life into these hairs that finasteride is sort of helping to hold on to. So can they be utilized together? Absolutely. It's very common. A lot of practitioners actually recommend using them together.